Hello all, we have Ms. Vaishnavi, HR Manager from Optimal Nutrition Protocol, Nugambagam. So we welcome you ma'am as a part of Department of Food Science, Nutrition and Dietetics.
Thank you.
So to start off with, could you just enlighten us about what you do actually in ONP?
Okay, so basically in Optimal Nutrition Protocol, what we do is we provide personalized nutrition to our clients. So we cater to clients across the globe. So they come to us with different medical conditions. They have different goals and targets. We understand their requirements, we understand their medical conditions, and we give them a personalized protocol.
So from a HR perspective, could you share what are the skills that are required in the candidates when it comes to private consultation?
Okay, so as part of a nutrition coach, so the main expectation from our end is first of all is communication, because as I told you, like we cater to clients from different backgrounds, from different states or even countries, so they need to be able to express themselves properly, communicate with them properly. So that is going to be the first and foremost expectation. And one of the major characteristic which we are looking for is the willingness to learn. So they should be open to learn. They should also be open to unlearn a lot of things and learn it afresh. So that is one of the most important characteristics. Yes.
Yeah, I think it is a very important takeaway that you mentioned, that the student should be open to unlearn things that they have learned. I think it's very important, even particularly in the field of nutrition, considering the trends that's been coming up.
Yes.
And finally, could you like to share your experience here in MGI University and that department?
Sure. So it was great actually. So from the time when we were contacted with regards to the recruitment process and how I was received here, I had a very warm welcome here, and the head of the department also came and spoke with me, and he explained what are the different way in which they are grooming the kids, what are the different ideologies and the programs which they are conducting for the kid to groom them and for them to better themselves, apply them in the real time. So it was great experience, and I felt it was a very warm welcome for me here.
Sure. Thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you for spending your time.
My pleasure.